What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? What's happening, guys? Welcome back. I am TonyaNicole, and today, y'all, we have the long-awaited Ipsy Glam Plus. Girl, this thing shipped since July 8th, and I just got it yesterday, I think, the 23rd. So y'all know I'm irritated already. But if you guys want to see what I got in July's Ipsy Plus, you know what to do, boo. And stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you got your Ipsy early or late. What's up, guys? I'm TonyaNicole, as I said in the intro, and welcome to my bomb-ass unboxing world. Today, we're going to be doing Ipsy Glam Plus. That's so late in the month. I don't know what's going on with it. But before we get into all of that, I want to give a big, huge shout out to my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you guys so much for waking up early and rocking with your girl. I greatly appreciate you, boo. Today's drink, some nice, hot, relaxing coffee. Let's take a dance break and a drink break. So, I don't know if you guys saw that Ipsy is making some changes to the Glam Plus starting August 1st. We will be able to choose 3 products in each box. I think they will like curate 2 products, give us 3 products to choose from. Well, give us a variety of products to choose from, and we get to choose 3. So I'm very excited about that. The only downfall that I see is that it's after they take your money out. So if you don't like the choices, that may be a little bit of a problem, but to pick 3 items, I think is absolutely amazing. So we shall see how that goes after August 3rd, right? Yes. So this is the $25 a month box. You do have to pay taxes on this one, guys, but it does include free shipping. You get 5 full-size items in this box. You can choose 1 product a month, well, until next month in August, where we get to choose 3. It has a minimum value of $120. And if you want to subscribe to Ipsy, the link is down below. Just go ahead and click it, check it out, and see if you guys want to subscribe or not. So guys, without further ado, let's get this late ass box on and popping. Boo. Let's take a dance break and a drink break. Hey. All right, so y'all know Ipsy doesn't come with a card or anything now. I don't know why. So I went on the Ipsy site and I looked up all of my prices and my products so I can have the price for you guys while we unbox it. So let's get this open up. Ooh. On the inside, guys, it says discover yourself, which it always does. Comes with this little orange foam here. I did get a little add-on product. I'll show you guys at the end of the video. So make sure you watch the whole video. Yeah, okay, thank you. So they do send us this little card now every month. The theme is take a break, and that's it right there. But on the inside, we do not have any products or prices. So I do wish that Ipsy would bring back our product description as well as prices, because I hate like spoiling it for me as well as you early. I don't like to know what's in my box. So let's just see what we got, girls and boys. First up is the Salmon Vegan Hydroactive Eye Cream. And this is from Duft and Doft. I don't know. That's what it looks like, guys, right here. I did see that is this a spoiler for next month in BoxyCharm? Maybe not. I don't think it was this brand. I don't know. But let's see what this is. This is a hydroactive eye cream. I did take some notes down below, guys. So if y'all see me looking down, that's what I'm looking at. So this is a multitasking cream. It has a silky texture that hydrates and smooths your eye area for a youthful, dewy look. Ooh, the packaging is this nice red right here, guys. I'm not going to open it. Oh, well, it doesn't have a safety seal, so we can go ahead and squirt a little bit of it out on our back of our hand. And it's just this white little cream. Guys, if y'all notice, my skin is so dry from washing it all the time. It's almost like it's burned. I don't know how to get rid of that. I've been putting Vaseline on it, but, oh, girl. It doesn't have a scent, guys. It does feel nice and hydrating. This contains a sodium DNA and collagen that helps to plump the skin and soften the look of lines and wrinkles. It also gives your eyes a feeling of rest, and it makes it look bright like you are well rested. And this, guys, retails for $27. So we got another eye cream, and I think I've been getting eye creams every single month in all of my boxes. I mean, what's the deal with that? I don't know. All right, let's see what we got next. Next up, we have Color Boss. This is a multi-dimensional eye color here. I love the packaging. It feels very heavy and sturdy. Ooh, I like that. This is from Il Makiage, guys, and this is the multi-dimensional eye color in the shade Alter Ego. So let's open it up. So it opens up like this, which is so fancy. Isn't it fancy, y'all? Look at that. You pull it out, and I'm telling you guys, it has some nice weight to it. I don't want to blind y'all, but the packaging is gorgeous. And when we open it up, let me fold it down. That's the shade right there, guys. I'm going to do a quick little swatch for you guys. Ooh, oh my God, it feels so nice. Look at that. And y'all know purple is my color. Ooh, that is gorgeous. Look at that. Beautiful color, beautiful packaging. It says it is a hybrid shadow that gives a cream-like appearance. Its buttery smooth pigments last for hours without creasing or fading. It can be applied wet or dry depending on the level that you want. You know, if you want your eyes to be real poppy or not. And this retails for $29. Now, $29 for a single shadow, I don't know. Y'all know TonyaNicole ain't paying $29 for no single shadow, but it is really beautiful and the packaging is gorgeous. So I don't know, but this is pretty, y'all. Next product is from Tarte, and this is the Sulphur Curl Volumizing Mascara. And that's what it looks like right there, my loves. That's the packaging. We open it up. We do have the shade Black. This is very cute. That's what it looks like right there, guys. It's just a nice, like, green base with the white top. I will not open this because I have a lot of mascaras that I'm using right now, guys, but it is a volumizing mascara, so I am looking forward to using this. And let's see the price on this. And this retails for 23 buckaroos. Then we have our bag for the month, which is the Wanderlust bag. It's a cute little baggie. Zips and unzips, very, very cute. And then we have this product here, which was my choice item. And this is the Complex Culture brush. It's a contour and blush brush. This is the packaging here. I absolutely love these brushes. They are so pretty. Oh, yes. They make your product go on so nice. Oh, look at that, guys. Look at this brush. This is gorgeous. I don't normally use brushes like this, but this brush feels so nice. It's so pretty. It feels so expensive. Girl, y'all know I'm gonna use this one, right? Absolutely. So what it says here is it's a uniquely shaped brush head that is designed to perform 3 makeup moves: contouring, applying blush, and blending. Use the shorter side of the brush to contour, which would be this area here for contour. And then you use this fluffier one to apply your blush. So that would be, okay, so contour for the bottom. This part here would be the blush, if you can see how it's shaped. I will tell you what, the handle is really nice. The brush is very sleek, very stylish looking, very pretty. It feels so soft and nice. This retails for $35, guys, and this is a cruelty-free brand. I love it. So this is the Nature's Cartel Shimmer Lip Gloss right here. There we go. That's the packaging. Very cute packaging. And when we open it up, it's in VCR static. VCR. Ooh, oh, okay. That's what it looks like, guys. It's like this greenish blue. It has all kinds of like different shades in it. Let's see. Let me see if it's, doesn't smell like anything. Maybe plastic. I don't know what that smells. Ooh, wow. This is the color right there. This is the eyeshadow. this is the lip gloss. Oh my goodness. Oh, let me put a little bit on. This is very pretty. This is very pretty. Ooh, okay. I have not heard of this brand before, but it does feel nice. It does feel not too sticky. Gives my lips a nice shine. I love that it has a multi-dimensional look. It's like all different types of colors. Purple, then you get green, silver. It is gorgeous. And to think of it looking like this in the bottle, I would never expect this color here. Let's see what this baby retails for, guys. And this retails for 12 bucks, guys. Okay, guys, so that was my final product in this month's Ipsy Glam Plus. We're gonna quickly recap and then I'm gonna show you guys my add-on. So we received from Duff and Doft the Salmon Vjean Eye Cream here. Nature's Cartel, this VCR Static Lip Gloss. Il Makiage, this Color Boss Multi-Dimensional Eye Color in Alter Ego. From Tarte, this Volumizing Mascara. And from Complex Culture, this beautiful contour and blush brush, as well as our bag. So we have 5 products for this month. Let me show you guys what I got for add-on. So they had a good little thing for add-on. Y'all was so excited when I saw this Jacquiana palette as well as a lip gloss. I can't even remember how much it was. I think it was like $22. I don't remember, but I had to get it because y'all know I love the Jacquiana palette. So, babe, if I can get it on sale, girl. Oh, wait, let me cut it open so I can show you guys what it looked like, which we have already seen because I use it all the time on my channel. But this is the packaging for the Jacquiana palette right there. Gorgeous packaging. I just had to get a backup, guys, because I'm going through my other one so fast, it's not even funny. Ooh, and when we pull it out, this is what it looks like right here. And oh, God, I just love it. It comes with a mirror. Hey, boo. And these are the shades right there, my loves. These are gorgeous. They match with a variety of skin tones. You can do so many looks with this palette. I absolutely love it. So I had to pick up a second one, as well as this Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Bitter Sweet. Y'all know I do love the formula. So let me show you guys what it looks like. Ooh, look at that. Beautiful mauve color. Gorgeous. I love it. So that was all that I got from Ipsy for this month. The total on my box was $126. So let's do some final thoughts. I'm gonna take a drink and then we're gonna get to it. So final thoughts. For the most part, I thought the box was okay this month. That's kind of why I'm looking forward to choosing 3 items next month, because I don't want another eye cream, guys. I've been getting eye creams a lot out of all of these subscription boxes. And honestly, I'm over eye creams right now. But I will enjoy the Tarte mascara. Definitely gonna enjoy this brush here. Also, this eyeshadow and the lip gloss. So 4 out of 5, I would think is a pretty decent box. I will use the eye cream, but I'm kind of over getting eye creams. I don't want any more eye creams for about a year, guys, honestly. So yeah, it was an okay box for me for this month. If I had to rate it, guys, on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw it in the damn dumpster. To 5 being this box is thebomb.com, boo, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give Ipsy, based on the fact that I like 4 of the 5 products, but it was so late this month. Oh, but I also got these 2 good add-ons at a cheaper price. I'm gonna give Ipsy for the month of July a whopping 3.5 to 4. We're gonna go 3 to... We're going to give them a 3.5 to 4. It was not actually a really bad box, but I just wasn't blown away. So guys, that's all that I have. Let me know down in the comments below what your thoughts are on my box. Let me know what you got in your box. Let me know if you're looking forward to the changes Ipsy have coming next month. Please, if you have not done so already, subscribe to your girl. Follow me on social media. All of those links are down below. And yeah, guys, give it a thumbs up. You already know what it is. So that's all that I have. Until next time and next video, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing with me. You guys be blessed. Bye, guys.